Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbuds Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now at the device list click the information icon near to your earbuds. And right here at the third line we have a button what called disconnect, and you need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between disconnect and unpair. So when you select to disconnect your earbuds and you click at this button, you will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds but leave it at the device list. And if you select forget the device, you will totally remove these earbuds from your phone. Now I click at the disconnect, and as you can see I just stopped Bluetooth connection but still have it at the device list, and I can easily reconnect it by just tap on it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!